Guys, today I really wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I've got from MINISO. Now, as you guys know, I've talked about hauling and materialism and all of that in a couple of other videos. I'm gonna leave it right here or in the description box. These are the sort of things that I needed, and I thought if I could show you what exactly I got, and since it's so useful to me, it might be useful to you guys as well. This is my last purse. It looks something like this, but the problem is that it kind of started to die and it's started to tear from here and here, and it doesn't look that nice. Like literally I can just take it off here as well, so from all of the edges it's just like coming off. Literally I couldn't really fix this since it's not actual leather. I did try to search for leather purses, but I couldn't really find anything that I liked that were not ridiculously expensive. So I thought I'll purchase these from MINISO. Bag of MINISO goodness. I was most probably the first people to do a MINISO haul before MINISO actually came to India, because MINISO is in Kathmandu. And I ended up purchasing quite a lot of products, and I think they saw the video and they really liked it. So I got an email by somebody from their team and they were like, oh, we really want to work with you. So I was also excited. I was like, oh cool, I would love to work with MINISO, because I've already purchased a couple of your products and they are very nice and they're very, very affordable. So I know you guys would be able to buy more if I did collaborate with them. But weirdly enough, we did exchange a couple of emails, but that never really materialized into me working with them. I don't know why, but that's not going to stop me from buying from MINISO, okay? First thing, I wanted something that has 2 straps, so I ended up purchasing this cute backpack. This one I think retails for 1,199 rupees. I did notice that they had some ones that were bigger. I didn't really want something that was bigger than this. I purchased this one because I've never had a grey bag before. Also, this has 2 straps in the back. I haven't really opened it yet. Again, the reason why I purchased this one and not the others is because this would fit my camera. Most probably this will fit my tripod as well, like the smaller one that I'm using right now. Also, this will carry my wallet as well as a couple of keys, and if I'm going out for the whole day, I can put a little bit of makeup in this as well. This is definitely going to give some relief to one side of my shoulder. I really hope it does. So I ended up purchasing this. I really did try to buy something that was genuine leather, but they are really ridiculously expensive. I couldn't really find a local brand. I did find a couple of branded products and they were just ridiculously expensive. Like I understand it's leather, but for it to be like 12,000 or 13,000 was a little too crazy for me. So I ended up purchasing this. Sometimes I have to go to social gatherings and events and I don't want to look really stupid with a backpack, you know. So I ended up purchasing this one. Yeah, this is like a black leather thing. It has a tassel on the side. The hardware is gold, and again I purchased this because look at the thickness. A lot of other things can fit into this. My camera, my keys, my phone. I think this can even fit in my charger. So I'm really happy with this. The only bad thing is that this has a very small strap. It does say on the side that it's supposed to be a crossbody. Maybe my body is bigger than the usual bodies that they have, but this does not go crossbody on me. It does go, but it's like it sits like right below my chest, which is kind of awkward. So I might have to do some jugaad with this, but I'm okay with that. But I do plan to carry it simply like that, like one side, but I really don't know yet. Sometimes my head hurts and I want somebody to massage it, but I don't really have people around me to do that, and I don't want to go to a salon to just get a head massage. So I ended up purchasing this MINISO head massager. I already tore into it and I used it, and this is really cool. Apart from the fact that it has like tiny metal beads that kind of swirl around. It's kind of cold, and since it's gotten colder here, it's a little bit of an issue, but that's okay. Like once it touches your skin, it tends to get like the same temperature, and that's fine, but the initial touch is the most annoying. This one is for 249 rupees. This is super useful if you're somebody that gets a lot of headaches, or if you just like to feel like fingers up in your hair. This is great. I like it. It kind of looks scary if you have a very creative imagination like mine, but it feels so good. Like, Oh my god. Oh, so good. Anyways, moving on. I really hate buying cotton pads because I feel like they're unreasonably expensive for something that's just cotton cut in a specific shape. So I always prefer buying a full bundle of cotton from any chemist, and then I just cut it into tiny squares and then I use it to remove my makeup. I really want to put those squares in a box. I couldn't really find anything. By mistake, somebody that helps me out with the cleaning the house actually broke the lid of my last one, so I really wanted to get something that's unbreakable. So this is plastic, and it's going to be definitely easy for me to travel with this. I can carry it with me, as opposed to if we ever shift anywhere, getting like the glass ones, they're really heavy, very luxurious, so it's always a problem. I didn't really like the design of it a lot because it's very simple and like in your face. I like old school designs. So this one retailed for about 249 rupees. This is what it looks like on my bathroom shelf. I actually put my cotton squares in that, and it's very easy for me to remove my eye makeup with those cotton squares. It's so cold, it ends up becoming damp, and then my clothes start to smell like moss. I think it's also because of the location of my cupboards, and not really that, you know, it's like mossy everywhere in Kathmandu, but it starts to like make the clothes smell really weird. And I've tried everything. I tried burning camphor, I put naphthalene balls in there, and I was really contemplating getting bakur, which is like this is what it is, and I was supremely contemplating it, but then I realized it's like coal and everything, so didn't want to burn down my whole closet, you know. So I ended up purchasing this fabric refreshing spray. Now I love sweet scents, and this is straight up peach. Okay, this is actually supposed to be sprayed directly on the clothes, but since my whole cupboard stinks of moss, even if I put it in the sun and get it back, it'll just like back to square one. So I like to spray this all over my cupboard, like literally going psh, 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 all over, and it smells like peaches for a whole month. So this is something that's super useful if you stay in a colder climate. If your clothes smell like moss sometimes, this is a good idea. It's really helpful if you're staying in a cold place. You can show some sun to your clothes. I know it's not always doable because you have so many clothes and you have so little sun, so I get it. And it wasn't crazy expensive, it was pretty affordable. This was available in, I think, jasmine or some other floral scents. I really dislike floral scents, so I ended up purchasing this, and I smell like peaches. Take a lot of hot steam showers, so it always gets like accumulated on top of things. We had this like glass that we would put our toothbrushes in, and it always collected like the debris. I didn't really want to get a toothbrush holder that we had to put on the slab because I feel like there's so many things on our slab. We wanted something that could be stuck on the wall without really damaging the wall, so I ended up purchasing this. This is literally a snail toothbrush holder. I'm not even joking. I've already used these two. I'm going to show you what it looks like in my bathroom. These are super useful, guys. If you are single and really like snails, you can definitely use these as your toothbrush holder. All you have to do is you just use a suction cup and you stick it to the wall and it stays there, and these are super useful. These have retails for about 249 rupees, and it legitimately looks like snails, like a very big version of snails. So the suction cup is here, you just put it on the wall, and this opens the toothbrush in like that, and you pressurize it and it closes by its own self. So this is super duper useful. I never get any makeup product from MINISO for myself, specifically like the base colors, because they are just like not our shade. I know a lot of people end up purchasing MINISO makeup. I would expect if you're coming to India, you would be ready with the shades that we actually use, but that's not the case. So I've always wanted to do a MINISO makeup review, but I've just never been able to buy any makeup because I know I'm gonna buy it and it's not gonna match my skin tone, and I can't really propagate that to you guys, so it never really makes any sense. But this though, I swatched this and I was like, this is something that I can definitely recommend to you guys, and we're gonna be using this now. This is the MINISO makeup palette. It's inspired by the Pink Panther, and Pink Panther and me, we go way back, like to be obsessed with their track with their soundtrack. And I actually use this, I think, in my vlog, Komal vlog, older intro videos because it's just so much fun. And when I saw this, I was like, I need to get this. I was pleasantly surprised. This one is in 01 Bronze Chic. The packaging is so adorable. This is what it looks like. It's super cute, and the colors are so wearable that I was like, I need to try this and show you guys how exactly it works out. When I did swatch these, they swatched very beautifully. I don't really know how exactly it's going to look like on my face, but we're going to be using it today and I'm going to try these out. We have the palette, we have the face. Let's start. Also comes with a really huge mirror. I don't even think like legit makeup brands have such big mirrors anymore. Also the colors are very beautiful. I'm gonna use the brown one on my crease. I'm gonna use this bronze one all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna use this one on my inner corner. And this again is blush. Now the blush does not come with a brush, but we have an eyeshadow brush. So let's start and see how this works. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. It is pigmented, but you know, with like these sort of brushes, even if the product is actually nice, you can't really like look. It is gonna give that weird application because of the way the brush is built, and then the eyeshadow gets the bad review. That looks good. Guys, this actually looks good. Bronze color, that's okay. Let me just, oh, this is a very like sweet light bronze. Like you can definitely do this almost every day. Like not really every day. This is more of like my friend is getting engaged and I need to look pretty but not have too much of makeup on my face. Makeup. It's not super pigmented, but it definitely gives like a very nice effect to the eye. And obviously I could do a better job at blending this out, but I don't really have the brushes. No, I do have the brushes. I don't want to use it. I want to use it with this. Let's try to use this flat side just to see like if it actually builds color up. I don't know about you guys, but like this looks really pretty in person. Like it looks very gentle and soft and something that you could definitely wear on a friend's reception or engagement or your colleagues' engagement. Like this gives such a nice, beautiful, soft, smoky eye. Gold shade. We're gonna apply this on the inner corner. Oh, pretty. It gives like such a nice soft look. Oh my god, guys, this is kind of super cute. I would definitely wear this on I would definitely wear this. Oh my god. You definitely need some other brushes. I don't really think the brushes are working out. I also don't really think I did like such an amazing job, but in real life it looks real good. Let's take the blush. Now when I swatch this blush, oh, there's also a lot of kickback from this brush. When I swatched this blush, I was like, oh, this is great because it's very, very peachy, and I really like, my skin loves peachy skin shades. So, ooh, that's pigmented. Oh, that's pigmented, okay. This is, oh my god, you can, okay, you know what? You guys need to get this. That's what's up. Oh, this is pigmented, like, although I look stupid, but it's, guys, get this. This is like a very beautiful and basic palette. I really like it. Let me just fix the blush and do my other eye and come back. Somebody that really likes to apply like very, very basic makeup, and if you want a palette that goes well with almost all of your clothes, and if you need something that's easy on the go that you can apply, tell me what you guys think about it. I think it looks very nice, very basic. I feel like this sort of a peachy blush is going to work with almost every single person unless you're really, really fair. Also, I'm very surprised at the pigmentation of this blush. Like, I actually loved every single thing that I got from MINISO. So this palette is definitely hands down a very surprising win. And that is it. That was my MINISO haul. I really hope that this was useful in some way or the other. If you guys end up purchasing any of the products that I did show you in this video, definitely let me know what exactly you feel about those products. This video is not sponsored by MINISO. I purchased every single thing with my own money, and I'm very happy with mostly all of the things. If you've purchased something from MINISO that you really liked and would love me to try, definitely leave that also in the comment section. I think MINISO is really great for people who are looking for affordable products. When you go to MINISO, I know every single thing is so cute, I know, but try to limit it to what you actually need, rather than what you think is cute and you might potentially need in the future. It also really helps when you go to really cute places like MINISO to have a list with you. I always go to bigger stores with a list because I know that they're huge and there's going to be crazy merchandise that's going to be adorable. So I try to always limit whatever I'm buying. I love making this video. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, and if you have any video requests, definitely let me know in the comment section. That's about it. Bye.